The Tysons Commons proposal will replace the existing Commons of McLean apartment development. That apartment development currently has 331 units. The new proposal will have 2,571 units on a 21-acre site. The site will be located just south of 123, and Anderson Road will be running through it, increasing the densities by about sevenfold. That is good because it provides housing opportunities for people who may work in Tysons and therefore reduce the amount of overall trips that are necessary. The largest amenity they have are the open space. They're going to have over 9 acres of parks, and these will include things like an athletic field that will be lighted, so be able to use both during the day and during the evening. It'll include a 4.3-acre park with urban park with a mixture of amenities such as dog parks, sports courts, tot lots, a playground, a lot of lush vegetation, a lot of walking paths. And also will include things like urban plazas along the main streets that will provide areas where you can have stages and also farmers markets, meeting places. The applicant has indicated that he's planning on starting construction on the first building in the latter part of 2014.